In this video, I will be showing you guys how to overlay and chroma key in Capcut PC. Now this is a step-by-step guide on how to remove green screen and overlay on Capcut. Capcut is a popular video editor for TikTokers. Do you want to remove green screen or overlay video on Capcut to create stunning videos? But how to remove green screen on Capcut? Don't worry, this video comes with a step-by-step guide on how to do green screen and overlay on Capcut. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Click on the new project and choose a video. Now, for the purposes of this tutorial, we are going to get the background video in Capcut Video Library. In Capcut Editor, you can search for any type of video you want. Now, let's say this is the background video we want to work on. Just drag the video down to the timeline. Remember, this background video is from Capcut Editor Library, as we are using it as the background video. Next steps. In Capcut Library, search on video you want to overlay, or you can also import your own video. Now to overlay video, just drag and drop another video on top of the background video. Go to the video player section and move the points on each corner to adjust the size of the overlay. Or you can also use the scale tool on the right, and you can drag the overlay on the player window to change its position on the frame. You can change the position to your own preference. Just like this. Simple. Now, let's play it. As you can see, that both videos are playing at the same time. Next steps. How to remove green screen using chroma key. Now for the purposes of this video, we will be using green screen subscribe video as an example. Do you know, in Capcut Video Editor, you can actually search for green screen subscribe button. Now, let's say this is the video you want to remove the green screen from. Drag the green screen video into the video application. This is the green screen. Now we are going to adjust the size. Now, use the scale tool on the right side to adjust the size, and you can also reposition it to your perfect location. Here we comes to the exciting part of the video. Select the green screen image on the timeline and click the cutout button at the top right hand side. Then, tick mark the chroma key option and choose the green color using the color picker. Select the color picker. Now follow my steps carefully. Once you've selected the green color, adjust the strength and shadows of the green screen to seamlessly remove it and give your video that cinematic shot you desire. Adjust the shadow. Once you have satisfied with position, then export the video in MP4 format with your preferred resolution. And voila, your professional-looking video is ready to be published and admired by your audience. Check out the complete steps below. Now, we are done. Let's play the video. Perfect. Finally, we have done. I hope you have learned how to do overlay and remove green screen on Capcut. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment below. See you all in the next video.